Namaskar. I am Professor Subhash Chandra Saha, the President of the Festival Committee 2020-21 of the Rupasri Housing Complex. I am very happy to welcome all the residents of the housing complex to today's program. Ma Durga has come to us, and for receiving her with our devotion, gratitude and prayer, we are organizing some cultural programs in which the children, the younger generation, and a few not so young residents of the housing complex will participate. I extend a very hearty welcome to all of you, each one of you, to this program. Every year during the Puja festival, we organize cultural programs, but this year there is a difference because of the pandemic of coronavirus. And because of the safety measures that we have adopted and will follow, we have decided to show our cultural programs through YouTube and also on the giant screens. It will be a virtual program and not on the stage as we used to do previous years. I'm sure though the stage show will not be there, you will all enjoy the performances presented by the talents of the Rupasri. And we seek the blessings of Ma Durga and her children, gods and goddesses, for the success of our program. At the same time, we have deep inside us a grief for those all over the world who will not get the opportunity to participate in the celebrations of Durga Puja because COVID has taken them away. But we pray to Goddess Durga to give us protection and save us from all the disasters that have been caused by the pandemic. I'm sure with our prayers to Goddess Durga and her children, gods and goddesses, we'll be able to conquer this battle for survival of the humanity. And Durga Puja is a very special occasion when we get the strength and protection from our Devi Durga. Devi Durga is not only for Rupasri, for Calcutta, for West Bengal or for India, but for the whole world. All over the world, Durga Puja is celebrated because Mother Goddess comes to defeat the evil and show the triumph of the good over the evil. We are sure that life will triumph over death. I am sure that all of you will enjoy the programs that will be performed, and for this, for the success of the program, I, on behalf of the festival committee, express deep thanks and gratitude to the main two uh, two main persons, Suparnadi and Smitadi, for organizing this program so nicely. They have given their heart and soul for the success of the program. Let us all thank them, and we all look forward to the beautiful programs that will be held from 7 p.m. on the successive days. And not finally, but perhaps always, we pray to Durga to bless all of us, each one of us, in our Abhashan, Rupashri, that the goddess blesses us and all of us lead a safe and happy life. Namaskar.